All right, hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, we're not a buy or sell channel. All right, just a reminder, we're not a buy or sell channel. Okay, if you guys are looking for someone who's going to tell you buy now, sell now, straight up, you're on the wrong stream. But if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you how to trade these markets the right way, and of course, if you're looking to trade the profitable Forex strategy live, then stick around, guys, because that's exactly what we're going to do. Okay. Big day. Y'all know what it is, okay? Expect some volatility, expect some nice little moves to kick into the market, but also expect erratic moves to kick into these markets. Also, guys, before I start to share my screen, we're not financial advisors, okay? So any trades that you take upon yourself. Please use the right risk management. Don't be risking more than 0.5% or 1% on any given trade at any given time. Okay, now that we have all of that good stuff out of the way, I hope you guys can see my charts. What's up, people on YouTube? Hope you're doing well. Okay, so I have the indices right here. Nice little break above our supply, and we could get a solid push. Okay, you smaller lots, guys, I'm letting you all know these markets are going to be erratic. Your broker may also happen to screw you over. If those things happen, they happen. Okay, the only thing that you can do to protect yourself and your account is use conservative lots. Okay, that's US 30. Nasdaq still pushing down. All right, let's catch. Okay. All right, at 400. And of course, if the sales want to kick in, we'll look at the break of this, but I wouldn't be shorting this market, even though they could completely just start selling off, okay? Gold. I like gold as of right now. I think gold could give us a pretty good move. Okay. If we break that supply on gold, we've got a good chance that we're going to go up and hit our daily. Okay, that's if we break supply. And if we happen to break our demand, we're going to come down and possibly waterfall because there's not too much that's going on over here. If you guys are going to ask me my personal bias, I wouldn't say I'm inclined towards any, but just based off of price action, and it's not about saying whether we're going to buy or sell, but I do feel like the buys have a better chance of playing out. Okay, now I could be completely wrong because you guys know it. As I keep saying, we do not have a magic ball. We only trade these markets based off of the levels that we spot. Okay, so if they start to sell off, they're going to break down from the demand zone, and if they start to buy, they're going to break up from the supply zone. Am I going to try and get in on a trade if we sell off? Absolutely not. Okay, you guys know how I trade, and y'all know that I'm not going to FOMO into the sells in case they want to kick in. Okay, what do you guys want to have up? Do you all want to be looking at gold, or do you all want to be looking at the indices today? Gold, 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 gold. Quite a few golds. Okay, gold it is. The indices could have a pop as well. Okay, just letting you guys know. It's almost like Nasdaq is. Is my Nasdaq chart stuck? Babe, can you please check Nasdaq? Oh, there you go. That's a bummer. Sorry, guys. I was checking something out. Okay, all good. Nice 5-minute level here. Breakdown, break up. Okay. So the potential buys could be there on Nasdaq, and the potential sells could be here. Okay. Let's take a look at the Forex Scalper Pro. Look at that. Literally, nothing is overbought or oversold now. But I guarantee you, when news pops, we're going to see a lot of greens and a lot of reds on the Forex Scalper Pro. Okay. Okay. And just like we were doing it yesterday, let's have the DXY side by side with gold. I'm just going to mark up some key areas. Okay. Cool. So let's see if we want to maybe get a little bounce from here and then maybe potentially break down on the DXY, and if that wants to correlate with our potential buys that could come in. But either or, okay, guys, listen, we don't gamble these markets. You all know it, all right? We're going to try and build our bias and we're going to wait for the first candle to pass and then we're going to try and get in on any sort of trades, okay? If you guys are confident with your analysis and you'll have your risk management in place, go ahead and put on the orders that you'll want to. I Sorry about that. I am going to I'm going to place a little buy order for gold. Nothing else. I just like gold, and in case they don't want to give me the buys, it's all good. It's going to be slightly higher than my supply, okay? Because you all know the liquidity grabs are real on gold, and y'all don't want to get caught in something like that in case it wants to go against you. Okay, these markets are not in our control, guys, and you'll need to remember that as technical traders. You'll need to be versatile enough to get in and get out of trades, okay? And please watch out for your spreads. Y'all could very, very possibly have super shitty spreads that kick in. Please be careful. Okay, and listen, like I said, we're not a buy or sell channel. Okay, so if this market wants to sell off, it's going to sell off. Wait for the first candle to close in the box. I cannot be more I can't put more pressure on this, okay? Oof. US 30 and Nasdaq starting to look decent. I do think that we could get a little bit of a drop. Let's see, you guys. Let's see what they want to do, okay? So give me a quick second. Okay, I'm set. I'm good to go with gold. Let's see what these markets want to do, and let's see if they want to give us any sort of moves, okay, guys? And listen, if y'all don't feel comfortable, bro, this is scary. I know it is. It is. All right. The more you trade it, the more used to you're gonna get. But don't be stressing about it, man. Take it easy. Be on the lookout for your brokers trying to mess up at this point, okay, guys? They're gonna try their best to trap you guys in every way possible. Smaller lots. Okay, 30 seconds to go. How are we feeling, guys? Yes, that is normal, Emily, because right before a major red folder like NFP, you can expect some chop. Okay? All of that is just chop. It's price not respecting TA. This is NFP. Let's have a good one, you guys. Let's get it. Okay. Oh, see what I mean? Liquidity grab. Okay, I'm not. There you go. I'm still not triggered in on anything. Let's see if my. Just letting you guys know, my buy limit, my buy stop is in this region. Okay, so solid liquidity grab. What did the indices do? Nice little clean push on US 30. Okay. All right. I got triggered in with my $5 a pip. I'm triggered in with $5 a pip. If we break this high, I'm going to try and be trigger finger on this. Okay, where's my stop loss going to be for this? It's going to be, oof, okay, give me a quick second, you guys. I'm in. I'm in on Goldilocks, and I am running big time. I'm not going to be giving my profits, but I am running big fucking time, and I'm putting my position out. Okay, I'm going to leave a small position on gold, and I'm going to change that to break even real quick. Okay, and let's switch over to break even. Okay, I just got stopped out on break even on that, but I made some money. All right, I'm not expecting you guys to have got that with me, but YouTube, you guys, if you're seeing me, y'all can also see my screen. Y'all can also see that's how beautiful it was. Okay, lovely, lovely. Wait for the first candle to close. Okay, now listen. I pulled out what I pulled out. Let me tell you guys how many pips I got on this. Okay, I caught 33 pips on my smaller position, and I caught about 18 pips on a position that was slightly larger. All right, look at the DXY tanked and gold pushed. Wait for the first candle to close, you guys. The ones that didn't get in on your trade, it's all good. It's all good. Y'all don't need to impulsively get in the way we do, okay? I'm now done for the day, so I can put my phone aside and I can trade with you guys. I can give you guys the right setups to get into. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the Scalper Pro. We are currently all right. We're still in that range, you guys. We're still in that range. Stubborn markets today. GU, EU going over bot. We may have some nice moves that could potentially have kicked in there, and they're still sort of watching. Did anyone get in on any sort of trades, guys? Anyone go get in on gold with me or um, the dirty? Is anyone in on anything? W on gold. Nope. Nope. W on gold, gold. All right. Okay, so we had quite a few people that got in on gold with me. Good for you guys. Congratulations. Okay, and for the rest of y'all, wait. Patience is everything in these markets. Now, what's the next thing that could happen? Okay, now say in the next minute and 55, we happen to close up in this box. Okay, that's if we happen to close up in this box. You guys are looking to get in on a possible retest. Okay, so if price comes down to our supply, which would now be demand, and you started seeing nice little rejection from here, you could get in on your quick position for maybe 5, 10, 15, 20, whatever pips based off of your risk management, and you could try and catch that big fill. Okay, but that's if price closes in our box. If they're going to be stubborn, and if they're going to be indecisive, they're going to close below our box and go back into ranging within the zone. Okay, so if that's the case, then we may not have the move on gold anymore. Let's see. Let's flip this up to demand. This is exactly what I meant. Okay, so now it's pretty much an indecision candle. Okay, no body that exists. Let's see how they want to close. The last 30 seconds are what's going to be crucial. Okay. W on gold. Kyle, by the way, I need to message you, buddy. Little change in plans. Um, I'll message you, okay? Got you taken care of tomorrow. Cheers, my man. Okay, let's see. 24 seconds. Let's see if they want to close up there and get that retest rejection that we were talking about. The indices are not closing up in our box. Did anyone get in on either? This was a pretty nice move, but I understand if you guys wouldn't have gotten in the on that break. Okay, now there it closes. Let's see if it wants to come down. I'd like for it to come down. Okay, I want this to test out our demand zone. Test it out. Okay, come on, test it out. I've told you guys, I've given you guys the trampoline example. Okay, look at that. I've given you guys the trampoline example multiple times, right? If you want to jump higher, you're going to have to push your body weight down. Okay, so this could have been a nice potential entry. Okay, respecting demand. Okay, come on, break that high and give our army of millionaires their pips. Even if you caught that region, you should be running by about 10, 11 pips at this point. Come on. 10 pips is all you guys need. Remember that. Okay? All right, let's see how the DXY wants to react in and around here. They are pushing back down. Let's see, you guys. Have tight stop losses, okay? Because this can get super erratic right now. If they start to break this region, then they're looking to test out the early support. Okay, just letting you guys know. Take out your 5-10 pips if you're getting it and be happy. It's NFP, okay? Come on, give it to us, give it to us, give it to us, give it to us. There you go. I want to see W's in the goddamn chat, okay? I literally walked you guys through that. That's currently 18 pips and counting. Still going for that wick fill. Took 20 pips. W. Awesome. Zero. Who else is catching that? Okay, we literally walked you guys through the setup that I didn't take because I caught the impulse. Okay, but if you guys are not impulsive traders, we've got something for you guys here at Forex Trading as well. Okay, we're aggressive, yes, but we're also freaking calculated in these markets. All right, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Anyone still running? Beautiful retest. Nice 27 pip move. If we get that wick fill, we're looking at a solid 40 pip move. 19 pips, Ankur. Congratulations. Who else is giving you this stuff for free, guys? I mean, literally, who is doing it for you guys? This is ridiculous. Holding it on to the moon? Don't do that, Zed. Take your profits and get out, brother. Take your profits, man. These markets can flip at any time, okay? Caught 60 pips on gold, done for the day. Awesome, Sahil. Congratulations, bro. Beautiful, beautiful. I want to know how many of you guys, my one-on-ones, you guys that are on here, how many of y'all caught the retest? I've been putting more emphasis on this lately, especially for our more advanced traders. How many of you guys caught the retest? I literally walked y'all through it. Okay, so y'all have no reason to not have caught it anyway. But okay, caught the retest, caught the retest, caught the retest. My first time successful, made my pips. I caught it, but you did hold our hand. Caught it. Awesome. Okay, so we have quite a few people that caught the retest. I hope you've booked your profits. I hope you've liquidated your positions. And now get some popcorn out and watch these markets go to shit. Literally. Okay? Just caught it, baby. Awesome. W on gold. Holy, that dropped. Oh, yeah. Now, I don't like this. Okay? Nothing closes in our box. Um, it's not good. It's not good. Okay? Wait for the move to come. I do like the potential buys that could start to kick in on Nasty and on. They're actually very identical, to be fair. Good lord, we have so many people over here that are like we literally. I was the last time I saw the participants, we were at 70. It seems like people made their money after that setup that we just told you guys and just left. Literally dropped down to 60. W on gold success story done. Awesome. Look at that. If you guys are still in on gold, you're still banking. Okay, so if you guys have had a successful NFP thanks to Cram Cash Forex trading, then you guys need to put on the success stories. Okay, trust me, man. No one is going to walk you guys um, through a setup, especially for a red folder, news folder like NFP, the way I just did. I'm not even kidding. We give out a lot to you guys for free. Okay, we only ask for success stories, you guys. And if this is your first successful NFP, that says something, doesn't it? Why my MetaTrade is few seconds faster than TradingView Pro Plus? It's not that YouTube guys, y'all are witnessing probably a 10 or 20-second lag because y'all are watching us on YouTube. Um, go into the description. Our Discord server is right there. You could join in. It's absolutely free, and you could hop on to the private Zoom call that we have going on simultaneously right now. Okay. You won't have the lag then. I made pips. Congrats, Ritik. Okay. I like those buys. First successful NFP for sure. Awesome, man. I want the success stories pouring in. Okay, you guys, there's 60 of y'all. The ones that traded, I know are going to post up anyway. The ones that didn't trade, um, I'm sure you guys learned something. That in itself calls for a success story. It was my first session with you, and I've made profit of $50. Congratulations, buddy. Good for you. Okay, look at that. They're starting to pump in some liquidity right from our demand zone. Okay, wait for it. We could just get rejected again, okay? Just letting you all know. But I like this. This is the power of price action, you guys. This is, wow, fuck. Is anyone still holding gold? Anyone still holding gold? Please tell me one of you guys, one of y'all, in the 72 people that were here, one of y'all has to have even a freaking dollar a pip, a partial that's running on this. Please, please, please tell me. Me, it's my first NFP. To be honest, I lost around 35 by gold. I'm holding, trying to recover now. You lost 35 on the buys? How, buddy? Ethan's holding. Awesome. You're still holding your feeler, Kyle. Bank that. My feeler got stopped out. Okay. No. Holding gold to set to BE. Got to save that capital, man. Absolutely. Look at gold. They are pushing. Beautiful, man. And do you guys see how this is a freaking classic Forex move? A nice break, a nice retest to our supply turn demand, and the break of this, the break of our previous structure, and boom, we are flying. I'm not even going to count the fact that I walked you all through getting on the retest. But even if you're not going to do that, and if you just respected the Forex strategy, you guys are making money right now, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. I'm so happy for you guys. For real. Okay, but now see, we are coming into some support, into some demand, whatever you want to call it, an order block down here. Okay, so you wanna pretty much break this order block in case you want price to still push higher. Okay, if we don't break this order block over here, you're gonna start seeing price potentially come back down. Okay, but it looks like they want to do it. Okay, the indices. Is anyone in on the US 30? It should only be an impulse. Okay, I'm out of gold. Awesome, man. Awesome. Good for you. Good for you. Oof, that was a fun NFP. That was a lot of fun. Um, I enjoyed it. I am, listen, with a kind of, I mean, we have a mixed bag of audience that's coming in on our socials. And I have made the conscious decision to not it's no one's business how much money we make. You know what I mean? The setups need to speak for themselves, and I'm sure the real traders, you guys, the people that trade with us, y'all would appreciate seeing the setups play out rather than seeing big money on the table, right? Because it's different for everyone. You know, everyone has a different capital, everyone has a different story, everyone just has a different way of doing it. Okay, and just know that I made I had two positions, okay, and I caught 30 pips from one, and 20 pips from the other. The 20 pips was my larger position, and I'm up. I'm up by close to 1% on my account. Okay, U.S. close above retest demand zone and move up like gold. Yes, but as you can see, we didn't have a retest. Now either we wait for a retest, we expect this to flip to demand, and we look to break that high. Okay, there's There's that high that's going to stop you from getting that clean move. But if you happen to break this, go for it. Okay, the next level you're going to head to is there. 81 to 510, you could still catch a good 30 pip move coming in there. Okay, but as of now, as you can see, we are getting slight resistance. I would be more comfortable if I saw price come and retest that demand zone. Awesome. Do we have any questions, you guys? I see people making their pips and leaving the stream, which is all good. I have no intention of staying on the stream for too long myself. Do we have any questions? Private members on Zoom, you guys? The indices made a great move today. Gold to the sky. US is moving great. Yep. Overall, a great session. Awesome. What's your YouTube channel? Forex trading. The shots on gold. Where would I shot gold? Possibly on that break. Somewhere there. But there's just a lot of momentum right now, you guys. Appreciate your work, bro. Learning a lot from you. Awesome, man. Welcome, buddy. Nasty looks nice. It does. It does look nice. This looks nice too. Right? This looks nice too. We could break. We are trying to push there. We are trying to push the RSI. Scalper Pro still not giving us anything. Gold is overbought on the 5. There you go. Okay, now we're overbought and gold on both the 5 and the 15. We're headed to cross the 50 and the 4H on the daily. Okay, now one or two things can happen, but I need you to realize this is the daily and the 4 hours, right? So these 3 points to the 50 may also, it'll definitely give you a little bit of a move on the shorter time frames, but you could potentially see price have a little bit of a pullback. Okay, so watch for that on gold. Okay, do we have any questions, guys, or are we good to call it a session? Listen, I want you guys to post up on success stories, all right? It's GU's what? GU's flying? Okay. Um, Anyway, like I was saying, I want you guys to post up on success stories. Okay, if you've had your first successful NFP, if you made some money with us, if you were paper trading, if you made $1, 100,000, 10,000, 50,000, I don't care. As long as you picked up some value from the session, I think that calls for a success story. Okay, so stop lurking around, stop taking us for granted. You guys know it. A little appreciation goes a really long way. Okay, and we truly believe in giving you guys value. Help us continue to do that for you guys. Okay, post your profits on success stories. Absolutely. Do we have any openings for the one-on-ones, babe? We do have openings for the one-on-ones. Okay, so if you guys want to hop on to the private mentorship program, message Cash. Don't keep us hanging. If you guys are serious, only and only message. If you're not, it's all good. There are more people that are, most likely by Sunday. Okay, and always good to take some time off, and the weekends are the best time to do that. And post up on success stories next week. Okay, like I keep saying, we're building an army of millionaires. It's up to you guys if you want to join what we're doing here. If not, sit on the sidelines. It's your loss because as long as you're going to be in the trading space, I promise you guys, you're going to circle back to Forex trading because in the next couple of weeks, months, you're going to hear our group's name, Forex Trading's name everywhere. That's my word to you guys. Okay. Um, Zoom, stay back. I will be with you all in a second. I'm just going to sign out on YouTube. All right. Take it easy, YouTube. See you all next week. Cheers.